Hey guys, I'm Jeremy. In this video, we're going to be going over how to install Git on Windows 11. If you're looking for how to install Git on Windows 10 or Mac, I have videos covering that as well. I'll leave a link in the description below. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is open up our web browser. I'm going to be using Google Chrome, but you may be using Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Now we want to navigate to the Git download page. So we'll just search for Git download and click on the first link. Now we can see here that there's a button, download for Windows. We'll click that and then click here to download, and the download starts and we can go ahead and run that installer. Here we'll click yes. The default values should work for most people, so you can just click next until the installation is finished. Now we'll just click finish and we should have Git installed. Let's go ahead and test that. So we'll open up PowerShell and run git -- version, and we can see that we get the correct Git version back. Now that we have Git installed on our Windows machine, we can start using it in our projects. If you found this content helpful, please click the like button so that others can find it more easily. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button and bell icon so that you don't miss a video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.